Reinforcements have arrived. Welcome to another unboxing. Today we are getting a look at the long-awaited Rogal Dorn battle tank for the Astra Militarum for Warhammer 40,000. Man, this tank is really impressive. I love the overall design aesthetic of this tank, how it feels like it could be like a World War II tank. It actually has a lot of vibes of actual tanks, and you know, the overall looks, there's a lot of like World War II British tanks that this tank definitely reminds me of. Yeah, I'm really excited for this model, and I just may have to assemble it and get it ready for the tabletop. And of course, the back of the box, we can see the various options available to this tank. It can take like little flamethrowers and Gatling guns and battle cannons and multi-meltas and flamers, heavy bolters and stub guns and whatever this gun is in the middle. I don't know what that is. And then of course it looks like it's got twin-linked auto cannons. This thing has options as any kind of big battle tank for the Imperial Guard. Why not, right? I mean, more guns is better. I mean, you know, I kind of agree with that assessment. So let's dive in. Let's get the trusty rusty blade out, and let's see if we can't get into this box without cutting ourselves, or, you know, possibly even maiming ourselves on camera here. All right, let's take this plastic wrap off. Oh man, I'm excited. This thing is in a nice big box, and yeah, it's really impressive. All right, let's dive in. Let's get in. What do we think? Is there a tray in here? I think there's a tray. Yeah, there's a tray. I mean, at this point, I mean, you know, we can't be terribly surprised that, you know, they'll put trays and everything in here. So we get a nice big instruction booklet. Very cool. Gives us all the profiles for all the weapons. Look at all the options, man. Oof. So many options for this thing. So many. I wonder, are those regular melta guns? I think those are regular melta guns, eh? He's got the stub guns and the melta guns. I thought they were flamethrowers, but no, they're meltas. Oof. Anyway. Instructions show us putting together all the bits and parts. Lots of options here. I wonder, like, you know, how many people are going to convert this thing up with existing Lehman Russ tanks or even Baneblades. Ooh, like the turret is almost like Baneblade-like, and it's pretty darn cool. Look at all the crew members and everything like that. Wow. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah, we might have to put this together. Put a paint job on it. Go for the default, or make up a color scheme. I can see this thing being painted like in a Mars red, like that terracotta color. That'd be kind of cool. Like all the gear and everything on it. Yeah, this thing looks like a lot of fun. All right, let's dive into the sprues. Let's have a look and see what awaits us in this box. Nice, big, chunky parts. The body is quite big. I mean, we've seen pictures of this thing, plenty of pictures by this point, of, you know, the size comparison to like a Lehman Russ or anything like that. And yeah, this tank does not disappoint at all. This thing is impressive. Impressive. Yeah, look at that. It's all the lower half, all the stowage gear, fuel tanks, doors, panels, the sides. Look at how big the sides are. That's pretty darn big. I am digging this thing. And of course, we also get the tracks. I like how the wheels are molded separately. No base? No base. I don't think there's a base. Shouldn't be a base, right? Ooh, look at this transfer sheet. Ooh. Astra Militarum vehicle transfer sheet. Look at that. It's got all sorts of doodads, numbers, Cadia, Imperial logos, campaign badges, warning labels. It's even got Tanith. Oh, it's even got the Tanith in there. Oh, that scores extra points with me. Valhalla. Yeah. Oh man, it's got Tanith logos in there. That's really cool. That is really cool. That's some extra bonus points for me. But yeah, there we go. She is 3 frames, an instruction booklet, and some transfers. That is the look at the Rogal Dorn battle tank unboxing, all out for you to have a look at. And of course, I'm sure plenty of you Astra Militarum tread heads are very excited for this tank. And yeah, I think this is going to be seen on the table a lot, I think. And rightly so, because it's pretty darn cool. How many can you have in an army? Just take a full squadron? Yeah, that's greasy. That's greasy. Big thank you to Games Workshop for sending me a review copy of this model. Big thank you to my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. For considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below. You'll be taken off to a magical website called Patreon, where there are various tiers of support, and a huge thank you to everybody who does. Take care of your brushes, they'll take care of you, and I will see you in the next exciting unboxing, or useless review, or painting tutorial. Fresh tips, just a tip. Maybe a live stream. Maybe Way of the Brush live stream. Maybe even a battle report. Who knows? Who knows? But I will see you out there. Take care.